Hi, good morning, everyone. Okay, in this video, I will show you how bot will take entry for us. Same things I'm doing on daily basis on live Zoom with our group members. So before entering market, I will inform them we need to take entry short or long. So I in advance I will inform everyone, and everyone is getting follow my instruction, and they are passing their test account, and also they are getting payout. So I will show you now. See, the background is green, so in this one, first of all, I will turn on my boat here and semi-auto here, and background is green. I will turn on long, and I will wait it for my setup. Once it will come on this tunnel, I will enter it, and bot will take entry for me. Okay, so let's play. So it will come. I will take and I will enter it. So
Order
you will see.
submitted.
So I will add runner here. Bot already executed, and you will see with this pullback from this tunnel to that tunnel, we enter it, and now background is red. So once it will touch in this tunnel, we will take entry for the short. Okay, so I will turn on
Target
short,
filled.
and you will see here it the board will enter from here and out from there. So our TP is hit in this one. So I will now turn on my short because background is red and already touch with this tunnel, so bot will take entry for the short one. Okay, so I will add also in runner in that one. So I will add also one. If it's up to me, if I will click one time, one contract will be add. If I will enter two time, two contract will be add. If I want to trail, I will click in. So within with one candle, our stop loss will move accordingly. So let me turn on here again.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
So I add two contract more, three contract more, and you will
Target
see here.
filled. Target filled.
You see here, so both automatically, when the first candle about take entry, and he took it out from that tunnel to second tunnel. So hopefully you understand how bots will work and how it's worked with us. Now with one runner, it's automatically it's going, so I can close it
Order
from here.
canceled.
So if you have any question how bot will take entry for us for buy or for long or short, you can contact me on my WhatsApp 647 574 3374. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Thank you.